everyone, this is Miss Listan. Welcome to another exciting adventure. Today we're exploring one of the UAE's hidden gems. Yes, we are here in a breathtaking hanging garden in Kalba Sharjah. Nestled amidst stunning mountain views and lush greenery, this picturesque spot is home of the over 100,000 vibrant plants, a mesmerizing man-made waterfall, and plenty of activities for nature lovers. Join me as we uncover the beauty, serenity, and the unique charm of this must-visit destination. Let's dive in! The Hanging Garden and Kalba Sharjah are approximately 130 kilometers from Dubai International Airport. If you go by car, the journey typically takes around 1 hour and 22 minutes depending on the traffic conditions. If you take the public transportation, there is also an option, but it's only available but may take longer, approximately 5 hours, and require multiple transfer. For convenience, driving or hiring a taxi is recommended. The Hanging Garden offers a variety of activities for both family outings and solo trips. So usually for the family, they can enjoy the nature walks, waterfall viewing, train ride, or the children's play area as well. They can also enjoy picnicking or educational opportunities, where the kids can learn different plant species and the importance of conservation. Of course, just like myself, as the solo travelers, we can enjoy the photography, mountain climbing, and running or jogging, or even the meditation or relaxation. We can also watch the birds or exploration. So as we walk higher, we can see here the views, including this train for all ages. And by the way, the garden offers ample parking facilities with 262 spaces, including areas for electric vehicle charging and disabled parking. But of course, it's not free, so it's advisable to carry cash for parking payments as card facilities may not be available. Additionally, during peak times, the lower parking area tends to fill up quickly, so consider using the upper parking area if needed. Look at that, it's so high from this part where we are walking. Did you know, guys, that this is actually at 281 meters above sea level? That's how high it is. Based on our visit, guys, this is not totally new because it was inaugurated last March 2024. So it's about approaching the summer, so I didn't visit right away just because I thought that the plants are not yet green or not yet fully developed, just because they're still new. So I waited until this season, which is the winter season. It's the cold times and the weather is so cool. Well, as you can see, this winter season, the flowers are more blooming just because of the weather. This is the best time to visit this type of tourist spots or tourist destination.
Woo! Sarap ng tubig! Lamig!
So for a solo traveler, don't worry, it's a safe place as well to walk alone as a woman. So guys, each level of the waterfalls, you can see a bench where you can sit and relax or do some photography here. You can see right the water, it's flowing from the top. Yes, this is a man-made waterfalls. But it's breathtaking that the UAE created this type of tourist destination because UAE usually it's dry. But look at that, it's so amazing. It's beautiful views here. Thank you for joining me in this incredible journey through the Hanging Garden in Kalba. From the breathtaking views to the serene ambience, this place truly offers something special for everyone. If you haven't visited yet, make sure to add it to your must-see list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. And let me know in the comments where I should explore next. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye for now, and this is Mrs. Dan signing off.